How to change any picture background to a different backgrounds using Canva. First of all, I'm going to Elements and searching for kids. You can upload any picture you want. I'm choosing one from the Elements as an example. I just chose this picture as an example for you. Adjust it like this. Then go to Edit Image and click on BG Remover to remove its background. Now, after removing the background, crop it according to your design preferences, guys. Then go to Elements again, search for Background, and go to Graphics. I will choose this one, right-click on it, and send it to the back. Increase the size of picture a little bit if it's needed. See, it's very easy, and now I'm choosing another background and dragging it. It automatically fits in the background. I will do the same with the other picture. Yeah, like that. That's how you can change any picture background very easily. When you're done, go to the share button and download it as PNG file. If this video was helpful for you, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thank you. Bye-bye.